We also want some really thin slices of carrot. Like that. We're going to chuck them in the pan as well. Bit of a mix around there. And we just want a little salt and some black pepper. Then we're just going to add about 1.5 teaspoons of Tikka curry powder. We'll give that a mix as well. And then we want a tin of chopped tomatoes. We'll bring that up to a simmer. We'll add about 2 tablespoons of tomato puree and a tablespoon of brown sugar. And we'll give that a mix as well. Now then pop in a teaspoon of turmeric and a teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of Chinese spice. And we'll get all that mixed up. Now we just want to let this simmer for a while. Now I'm just going to add about a cup of mixed vegetables. Now just pop in about 200 millilitres of red wine stock. And we're going to let that simmer for about 10 minutes. This will all be going in slow cooker as well. So this is a really tasty basic curry dish, really easy to make at home. So now we'll transfer this to a slow cooker and then we'll move on with pork. So now we're going to sort out these chops. Now they can go in pan and we're going to caramelise them. So onions in. Now as these have started cooking, we're going to put the chops in. We're just going to lay them on top like that. We're basically going to smother these in the onion while we cook them, and we want to get a bit of a char on them as well. And as these onions caramelise, keep putting them back on top. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to pop them into foil and cover them with the onions. You've got all that caramelisation, all that flavour. And then we're going to fold all this up. Just like this. We're going to seal all that flavour in there. And then these are also going in slow cooker on top of the sauce.